Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bio Entrance. Today we will be discussing Kerala Set Biotechnology Question Paper 2020. Coming to the first question, fluidity of a phospholipid bilayer depends only on chain length of the fatty acid, glycoprotein content of the lipid bilayer, degree of unsaturation of fatty acid, carbohydrate content of the lipid bilayer. So option A 1 only, B 1 and 3 only, C 2 only, D 1 and 2 only. Option B, that is 1 and 3, that is chain length of the fatty acid and degree of unsaturation, are correct. Then 2. Membrane carrier proteins differ from membrane channel proteins by carrier proteins are glycoproteins and channel proteins are lipoproteins. Channel proteins can mediate active transport but carrier proteins cannot. Carrier proteins can mediate active transport but channel proteins cannot. So that is the answer. Option C. The Watson-Crick double helix model describes the structure of bDNA. Option C. The next one. A widely used compound for the preparation of stable density gradient is sucrose. Option C. Then next one. Hayflick limit is the number of meiosis occurs during cell sexual life cycle of all eukaryotes. The number of mitosis a cell is capable of undergoing in tissue culture before it stops dividing. The number of mitosis spindles involved in chromosome separation. The number of kinetochores on each chromosome during metaphase. Answer is option B. The number of mitosis a cell is capable of undergoing in tissue culture before it stops dividing. Then next one. Which of the following statements are correct? Cry-du-Chat syndrome is due to chromosomal change involving deletion. That is correct. Klinefelter syndrome has 44 plus XXY condition. That is also correct. Down syndrome is due to extra 21st chromosome. That is also correct. Formation of multivalence in meiosis is due to reciprocal translocation. That is also correct. So answer is option D. Next one. Ames test is based on reversion of mutations in the histidine operon in the genetically altered strain of Salmonella typhimurium. That is correct. So option A itself is correct. Then match group 1 and group 2. P53. P53 is transcription factor. RB1 is cell cycle checkpoint. NF1 is GTPase and BRCA1 and BRCA2 are DNA repair. So answer is option C. Next one. Choose the statement which is correct about gene transcription. The transcript is identical to the coding strand and complementary to the template strand. That is correct. Template strand is from where the mRNA is synthesized. So it will be complementary to the template strand, but it will be identical to the coding strand except that in mRNA, thymine will be replaced by uracil. Then poly A tailing is catalyzed by option 2-ortho-methyl transferase. So answer is polyadenylate polymerase. So just a moment. Yeah, poly A tailing is catalyzed by polyadenylate polymerase. So answer is option B. The lack of correlation between genome size and genetic complexity is called C-value paradox. Option C. Then purified duplex DNA molecules cannot exist in which of the following forms? Linear and supercoiled. Why? Because this linear and supercoiled is correct because this form is formed by the enzyme topoisomerase, which is not present in vitro conditions when you purify the DNA molecules. Next one. The complete set of genetic information contained within members in a population is called gene pool. Answer is option B. Then, if the frequency of homozygous dominant genotype is a randomly mating population is 0.09, what is the frequency of the dominant allele? What is the combined frequency of all other alleles of this gene? So homozygous dominant genotype is P square as per Hardy-Weinberg equation. So P square is equal to 0.09, is equal to square root of 0.09, that is 0.3. Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 0.7. So answer will be option B, 0.03 and 0.7. Next one. Regulatory elements of SOS response in E. coli are Rec A and Lex A, option C. Then choose the statements which is correct about tRNA. tRNAs have guanylate residue at the 5' end and trinucleotide sequence CCA at the 3' end. That's correct. tRNA has 7-methyl guanosine residue at the 5' end. No. Amino acid tRNA synthetases attach correct amino acid to their tRNA. That is correct. Peptidyl transferase attach correct amino acid to their tRNAs. No. Peptidyl transferase catalyze the peptide bond formation. So answer is option A, 1 and 3 only. Then next one. Type of gene interaction when one gene masks or modifies the expression of another gene at a distant locus is called. Answer is option B, epi. The next one. Hemophilia is a recessive X-linked trait in humans. If a heterozygous woman has 4 children with a normal man, what are the odds of having an affected child and 4 unaffected children in a row? So this is the heterozygous woman and this is the man who is not having the disease. He is a normal man. After crossing you will get carrier females. Then one male will be affected, one male will not be affected and one female will not be affected. So 1/4 of the males will be, 1 out of the 4 children will be affected. So and that will be a male person and 81 by 256 will be the 4 unaffected children in a row. So answer is option C, 1/4 and 81 by 256. Next one. Drosophila melanogaster has dash pair of homologous chromosome. It has 4 pairs of homologous chromosomes. Answer is option B. Choose the correct statement about cytokinesis. Occurs by constriction in animal cell and by constriction in plant cells. That is correct. Mechanism of cytokinesis is based on contractile ring theory. That is also correct. Then occurrence by constriction in animal cells and by constriction in, that is wrong. Cell plate is formed in animal cells. No. Mid body is formed in animal cells. Cell plate is formed in plant cells. So option 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is B. A reducing agent which disrupts the disulfide bond to sulfahydryl groups, that is beta mercaptoethanol. Choose the plant that displays C3 pathway of carbonylation. Answer is B, that is wheat. All the other plants are C4 plants. Then, which of the following statements are correct? 1A 260 unit is approximately equal to 50 micrograms per ml of double-stranded DNA, or minus or approximately equal to 40 microgram per ml of double-stranded DNA, or approximately 40 microgram per ml of single-stranded RNA, or 50 microgram per ml of single-stranded RNA. So answer is option A, that is 1 absorption unit at 260 unit is 50 microgram per ml of double-stranded DNA and 40 microgram per ml of single-stranded RNA. Then next one. Which of the following statement about gluconeogenesis are true? So what is gluconeogenesis? Gluconeogenesis is the metabolic process by which organism produce sugars, that is glucose, for catabolic reactions from non-carbohydrate precursors like lactate and pyruvate. Gluconeogenesis in the liver and kidney help to maintain glucose level in the blood so that brain and muscle can extract sufficient glucose from it to meet their metabolic demand. So 24, now we have to choose the correct options. So it occurs actively in muscle during period of exercise. No, it is occurring in liver and kidney. It occurs actively in the liver during period of exercise or fasting. So 2 is correct. It occurs actively in the adipose tissue during feeding. No. It occurs actively in the kidney during periods of fast. So answer is 2 and 4. So option C is correct. Observe the following statement connected with hormone cytokinin and select the correct ones. Regulate growth, root growth, induce growth of shoot, promote cell division, regulate apical dominance. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. That is, induce the growth of shoot, promote cell division, regulate apical dominance. So 2, 3, 4 are correct. Now, which of the following are the physiological role of bile salt? Now, what are bile salts? They are primary component of bile and are needed by our bodies to help break down fats, aid digestion, absorb important vitamins and eliminate toxins. Bile salts are stored in gallbladder. Now, what are bile acid? Bile acid are required for breaking down of cholesterol. Bile acid are steroid acids found predominantly in the bile of mammals and other vertebrates. Diverse bile acids are synthesized in the liver. Bile acids are conjugated with taurine or glycine residues to give anions called bile salts. So we will see what they have given. They aid in the digestion of lipids. They facilitate the absorption of sugars. They facilitate the absorption of lipids. They provide means of cholesterol digestion. So they aid in digestion of lipid, that is correct. They facilitate the absorption of sugars is not correct. They facilitate absorption of lipids, that is correct. They provide a means of cholesterol digestion. No, cholesterol digestion, I told you it is bile acid and not bile salts. Next one. Which of the following is an aromatic amino acid? Answer is B. Phenylalanine is an aromatic amino acid. Next one. The sliding filament model is represented in the order inward propagation of depolarization along T tubules, binding of calcium to troponin C, generation of action potential in muscle fibers, release of calcium from sarcoplasmic reticulum, formation of linkages between actin and myosin, and sliding of thin on thick filament. So first one will be generation of action potential in muscle fibers. Then inward propagation of depolarization along T tubules. Then release of calcium from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Binding of calcium to troponin C. Formation of linkages between actin and myosin, sliding of thin on thick filament. So option A is correct. An inhibitory neurotransmitter is GABA. Answer is option C. Phosphofructokinase, a central target for regulation of the glycolytic pathway, is regulated by ATP, AMP, citrate, all of these. Answer is all of these regulate phosphofructokinase in the glycolytic pathway. Then, which of the following statements about a plot of velocity versus substrate concentration for an enzyme that follows Michaelis-Menten kinetics is false? Km is the substrate concentration at which velocity is equal to half of Vmax. That is correct. The shape of the curve is a hyperbola. Yes. As substrate concentration increases, initial velocity V also increases. Yes. At very high substrate concentration, the velocity curve becomes a horizontal line that intersects y-axis at Km. No, that is not correct. So option D is the answer. And Inactive precursor of an enzyme is called option B, zymogen. The enzyme used in the leather industry is option D, alkaline proteases. A broad-based technique used to localize radioisotopes within the tissue section is autoradiography. Answer is B. Then next one. What is the applied centrifugal force at a point equivalent to 5 cm from the center of rotation and an angular velocity of 3000 radians? Answer. The centrifugal field G at a point 5 cm from the center of rotation may be calculated using the equation G is equal to omega square R. So here they have given angular velocity as omega, that is 3000 square into 5 cm per square. That you will get as 4.5 into 10 raised to 7 centimeter per second square. So answer is 35A. Then which of the following is a cation exchanger used in ion exchange chromatography? Answer is B, carboxymethyl cellulose, CMC. Choose the statement which are correct about mass spectrometry. Separation is based on mass to charge ratio. That is correct. Separation is based on charge to mass ratio. No. Sample is converted into positively charged gaseous ions and accelerated towards a negatively charged plate. That is also correct. Sample is converted to negatively charged gaseous ions. No, it is converted to positively charged gaseous ions and accelerated towards a negatively charged plate. So answer is option A. X-ray diffraction is based on Bragg's law. Answer is option B. Then next one. Relation between action spectra and light absorption to photosynthetic activity is explained by. Answer is Engelmann's experiment. Option B. The site of ATP synthesis is 3 beta subunits in F1 ATPase. Answer is option A. The most important gene for prokaryotic phylogeny, even used in taxonomy also, that is 16S rRNA. Which of the following functions of reverse transcriptase in retroviruses are functions of reverse transcriptase in retroviruses? So after a retrovirus enters a host cell, reverse transcriptase converts the retroviral RNA genome into double-stranded DNA. The viral DNA then migrates to the nucleus and becomes integrated in the host genome. Viral genes are transcribed and translated. New virus particles assemble, exit the cell and can infect another cell. So what are the functions of reverse transcriptase in retroviruses? It hydrolyzes the host cell DNA. No. It uses viral RNA as template for DNA synthesis. That is correct. It converts host cell RNA into viral DNA. No. It uses viral RNA as template for making complementary RNA strand. No. It may uses viral RNA for DNA synthesis. Then it degrades RNA from DNA-RNA hybrid. So answer is option A, 2 and 5. That is, it uses viral RNA as template for DNA synthesis and it degrades RNA from DNA-RNA hybrid. Now next one. Proteinaceous infectious agents are called 43. Answer is C, that is prions. They are called as prions. Proteinaceous infectious agents are called as prions. Next one. Match group 1 with group 2. Retroviridae. Retroviridae has plus-stranded RNA. Herpes viridae has linear double-stranded DNA. Rhabdoviridae has minus-strand RNA and Baculoviridae has circular double-stranded DNA. So answer is option D. Then, in exponential phase of growth of bacterial culture, 100 CFU per ml cells increase to 3200 CFU per ml cells in 2 hours. What is the generation time for this bacterium? So number of generation is equal to log cells at end of incubation minus log cells at beginning of incubation divided by 0.301 is the formula for number of generations. So log 3200 minus log 2 divided by 0.301 we will get as 5. So number of generations is 5. Now we will calculate generation time for a population. That is given by the formula 60 minutes in 2 hours divided by number of generation. So 60 into, they have told it as 2 hours. So 2 divided by number of generation 5. You will get 12 into 2, that is 24. So answer is option C. Then next one. Which of the following is a transport medium? Stewart's medium is a transport medium. Answer is option C. The reducing agent used in microbial cell culture medium is 0.1% thioglycolate. Answer is option A. The test organism used for determining the efficacy of moist heat sterilization is Bacillus stearothermophilus. So answer is option B. Cold sterilization involves the use of gamma radiation. So answer is option C. The most important antibacterial agents are. Answer is option B. Cationic surface active agents. Then matching. IgA is a secretory has a secretory component. Then IgE will bind to basophils. Then IgG crosses the placenta, and IgM is a pentamer. So answer is option A. Then for class 1 MHC, which of the following statements are correct? They are expressed on all nucleated cells. That is correct. They are made up of heavy chain and a light chain. That as per Cube A, I have found that they have written it as class 1 molecules have a glycoprotein heavy chain and a small protein light chain. Class 1 MHC molecules contain a 45 kDa alpha chain associated to non-covalently with 12 kDa beta 2 microglobulin. So this is what they have written in Cube A, immunology by Cube A. And so 2 might be correct, but they have given the option as for this answer is 1 and 3 only. They have not included 2 in the option, but B also they have included 2. But when I read the other statements, I found that all the statements are correct as per me, but I am not sure. After referring 1 or 2 books as well as internet only, I came to the conclusion, but I don't know how far I am correct. So as per me, it is all the 4 statements are correct, but they have given the answer in answer key as option A, that is 1 and 3 only. So they are essential for viral antigen recognition by cytotoxic cell. That is also correct. The genes for HLA class 1 molecule are located on chromosome 6 and 15. They have given that HLA system is located on the short arm chromosome 6. But the gene encoding beta 2 microglobulin, the common light chain of the HLA class 1 molecule, is not located in the HLA complex but on chromosome 15. So fourth statement is also correct. So as per me, all are correct, but as per the answer key, it is 1 and 3 only. Then next one. Interaction between single paratope with an epitope is called affinity. Answer is option C. Type 1 hypersensitivity is mediated by. Answer is option B, Ig. Then match. 55. Answer is B. And isograft is graft between genetically identical individuals. Allograft is graft between genetically different individuals within a species. Then xenograft is graft between individuals from different species. and autograft is graft from one body part to another of the same individual. So option B is correct. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disease caused by autoantibodies against acetylcholine receptor on myoneural junction. So answer is option B. Next one. Antibiotic used for selection of hybridoma is. Answer is option C, aminopterin. A drug used for the treatment of AIDS is acidotymidine. Answer option B. An algorithm used in computer-aided drug discovery is. Answer A, Monte Carlo simulation. Then, the first recombinant antigen vaccine approved for human usage is for option B, that is hepatitis B. The amber codon is UAG, that is amber codon. UAA is ochre and UGA is opal. So answer D, UAG is correct. Which of the following is a database software? MySQL is an example of database software. So 62A. The most commonly used algae as SCP, single cell protein, for human use is spirulina. Answer is option D. Choose the statements which are true. DDBJ is a nucleotide sequence database. That is correct. 1. Then PDB is a protein sequence database. That is also correct. EMBL is a model organism database. No, it is also a nucleotide sequence database. And KEGG is a metabolite database. Answer is option C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Then TBLAST-N represents protein query sequence against translated nucleotide sequence database. So answer is option A. The most commonly used multiple alignment software is. Answer D, Clustal. Choose the correct statement about chi-square test. The chi-square test is used for testing the goodness of it. That is correct. The chi-square test is used to test the independence of two attributes. That is also correct. The chi-square test is used for testing the significance of correlation. No. The chi-square test is used for testing variance of a normal population. So answer is option A is correct. Then next one. The most widely used method for measuring the degree of correlation between two variables where one of the variable is independent and the other one is dependent is. Answer is option C, Karl-Pearson's coefficient. Find the harmonic mean of the numbers 4, 5 and 10. Now harmonic mean is given by the formula n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 plus 1 by xn. So n is how many numbers are given? N is equal to 3. So 3 by 1 by x1, that is 1 by the first number, that is 4, plus 1 by x2, that is 1 by 5, that is the next number, plus 1 by 10. And after calculating you will get it as 5.45. So answer is option B. Next one. The legislation regarding the patents are governed by and Indian Patent Act 1970. Answer is option D. The intellectual property right used for protecting instructions on a computer chip is. Layout design. Answer is option C. Biodiesel producing plant. Euphorbia lathyrus. So answer is option B. The act to provide for the establishment of an effective system for protection of plant varieties, the right of farmers, and to encourage the development of new varieties of plants. Answer is option A, PPVFR Act 2001. The Korenberg enzyme is, answer is option B, DNA polymerase 1. SMA1 and XMA1 are neoschisomers. Option A. Neoschisomers are restriction enzymes that recognize the same nucleotide sequence as the prototype but cleave at a different site. Then next one. Which of the following is the proper order for vectors in terms of increasing cloning capacity? Plasmid that has less capacity than phage. Then comes Cosmid, BAC and YAC. So answer is option C. The PCR method used for locating the precise start and end points of gene transcript is. Answer is option B, RACE. Then next one. Expression of eukaryotic gene in prokaryotes involved. Shine-Dalgarno sequence in mRNA, absence of introns, regulatory elements upstream of the gene, all of the above. Then next one. Automated DNA sequences uses fluorescent labeled ddNTPs. So answer is option A. Then green fluorescent protein is isolated from Equaria victoria. Answer is option B. Next one. DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting exploits variable number of tandem repeats. Answer is option B. A hybridization based molecular marker is. Answer is option B, RFLP, restriction fragment length polymorphism. Gene therapy is used for the treatment of SCID, SIDS, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia. It is used for the treatment of SCID, SIDS and cystic fibrosis. So option C is correct. The production of gene targeted knockout mice involves the following steps in the order. So isolation and culturing of embryonic stem cells, introduction of a mutant gene into cultured embryonic stem cells and selection of homologous recombinant cells, mating of chimeric offspring heterozygous for the disrupted gene, injection of homologous recombinant embryonic stem cells into a recipient mouse blastocyst. Answer is option B, that is isolation and culturing of embryonic stem cells comes first, followed by introduction of a mutant gene into the cultured embryonic stem cells and selection of homologous recombinant cells. This is followed by injection of homologous recombinant embryonic stem cells into a recipient mouse blastocyst. Then mating of chimeric offspring heterozygous for the disrupted. So answer is option B. Then next one. Which of the following are the characteristics of type 2 restriction endonucleases? Bifunctional enzyme with both endonuclease and methylase activity. Sorry. No. Contains two identical subunits. That is correct. Restriction requires ATP and Mg2 positive. No. Cleavage site is at or near the restriction site. So answer is option B, that is 2 and 4. Contains two identical subunits. Cleavage site is at or near restriction site. So option B is correct, that is 2 and 4 only. The ability of a single cell to divide and produce all the differentiated cells in an organism is its totipotency, shown mainly by plant cells. 86B. Then next one. Which of the following is true regarding downstream processing? The cost of downstream processing is more than the manufacturing cost. That's correct. Rotary drum vacuum filters are commonly used in downstream processing. That is also correct. Flocculation and flotation are used for the recovery of microbial biomass. All of the above are correct. Next one. Development of brittle, glassy and water-soaked shoot under in vitro condition is called as vitrification. Usually seen in plant tissue cultures. Then next one. Production of virus-free germplasm can be accomplished by meristem culture. Then next one. Choose the statements which are correct about anther culture. In pathway 1, uninucleate pollen divides symmetrically and both the vegetative and generative cells undergo further division. That is correct. In pathway 2, uninucleate pollen divides unequally and embryos originate from the generative cell alone. That is not correct. In pathway 3, uninucleate pollen divides unequally and embryo originates from the vegetative cell alone. That is also not correct. Then in pathway 4, uninucleate pollen divides unequally and both the vegetative and generative cells undergo further division. So option A is correct. Next one. The most commonly used fusogen for protoplast fusion is polyethylene glycol. Answer is option. Then next one. Hybrids are plants with nucleus of one species but cytoplasm from both parental species. Option A is correct. Border sequences need to be incorporated into the design of plasmid vectors for agrobacterium mediated transformation to ensure integration of the gene of interest into the host gene. Answer is option D. Match group 1 and group 2. Azadirachtin is obtained from Azadirachta indica, that is neem. Digoxin is obtained from Digitalis lanata. Taxol is obtained from Taxus baccata, and diosgenin is obtained from Dioscorea deltoidea. So answer is option D. Then next one. GMPs refer to good manufacturing practices. Answer is C. Then flavor saver tomatoes were developed by introducing an antisense copy for the gene polygalacturonase. Answer is option B. Then next one. Which of the following is an anchorage independent cell line? Answer is option C, K562. Heat inactivation of fetal bovine serum is done at. Answer is option A, 56 degrees for 30 minutes. Viability of cells in animal cell culture can be determined by Trypan-Blow and MTTT assay. So answer is 2 and 4 only, that is C. Then next one. In animal cell culture, the carbon dioxide level in the incubators are usually maintained at 5%. So answer is option C. The pH indicators in animal cell culture medium is. Answer is option B, phenol red. The nucleopolyhedrosis virus NPV are widely used as biopesticide for the control of. Answer is option B, bollworm. Next one. The prominent Indian botanist, noted chiefly for his invention of the technique of test tube fertilization of angiosperm, is P. Maheshwari. Answer is option A. The major constituent of photochemical smog is ozone. Answer is option B. And next one. An international agreement designed to protect the stratospheric ozone layer is Montreal Protocol. Answer is option C. Choose the correct statements regarding BOD. When BOD levels are high, there is a decline in dissolved oxygen levels. That is correct. BOD values exceeding 5 mg per liter indicate contamination. That is also correct. It is an indirect measure of the concentration of non-biodegradable organic matter. That is wrong. The amount of oxygen used is proportional to the number of metabolic rate of aerobic microorganism. That is also correct. So answer is option A. Pink disease, a disorder reported in human beings caused by intaking of the heavy metal mercury. Option A. Biofilms are involved in trickling filter digesters. That is option A. Inoculation of selected standardized bacteria to speed up the rate of contaminant in a polluted area is called bioaugmentation. Answer is option C. Ripening of cheddar cheese is done using Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. Answer is option D. The chief contaminant in canning industry is Clostridium botulinum. Answer is option B. The enzyme which is used for the removal of glucose or oxygen from foodstuffs in order to enhance their storability is glucosidase. Answer is option C. Choose the statement which is not true about negatively supercoiled DNA. So what is positively supercoiled DNA and negatively supercoiled DNA? Now positive supercoiling of DNA occurs when the right-handed double helical conformation of DNA is twisted even tighter, twisted in a right-handed fashion, until the helix begins to distort and knot. Then what is negative supercoiling? Negative supercoiling involves twisting against the helical conformation, twisting in a left-handed fashion, which preferentially underwinds and straightens the helix at low twisting stress and knots the DNA in negative supercoils at high twisting stress. So they have asked which is not true about negatively supercoiled DNA. So what is negative supercoiling? It will straighten the helix. It will wind and straighten the helix. Okay, so negatively supercoiled DNA is underwound. That's correct. There are few base pairs per helical turn. That is not correct. 13. It actually underwinds the DNA helix. So option B is the answer. It has fewer helical turns than the linear or relaxed molecule. That is correct. Most DNA isolated from natural sources is negatively supercoiled. That is also correct. Then ethidium bromide is an intercalating agent. Answer is option B. Ethidium bromide is used for staining DNA and viewing in agarose gel electrophoresis. Then 15. Which of the following is not a chaperone? Now what are chaperones? They are group of proteins that have functional similarity and assist in protein folding. So which is not a chaperone is cadherin. So what is cadherin? Cadherins are transmembrane proteins that mediate cell-cell adhesion in animals. Then next one. Absorption of UV light at 280 nanometers by purified proteins is due to the amino acids tryptophan and tyrosine. Option B. Then sugars that differ only by the stereochemistry at a single carbon other than the anomeric carbon are called as epimers. Answer is option D. Then most cancer cells exhibit increased glycolysis for the generation of ATP as a main source of energy supply. The phenomenon is known as Warburg effect. What is Pasteur effect? Pasteur effect is an inhibiting effect of oxygen on the fermentation process. What is Emerson enhancement effect? The rate of photosynthesis increases after the chloroplasts are exposed to light of wavelength 670 nanometers, that is red light, and 700 nanometers, that is far red light. So answer here is Warburg effect. The largest secondary lymphoid organ is spleen. The major immunoglobulin found in the colostrum of milk in nursing mothers is option D, IgA. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.